Hi all, it's Matt Walsh from Style Factory, your go-to resource for e-commerce advice. In this Printful review, I'm going to spell out the key advantages and disadvantages of using this popular print-on-demand service and help you work out if it's the right solution for your project. I'll start with the advantages of using Printful and then move on to the disadvantages of doing so. 1. It's very easy to use. Of the print-on-demand services we've tested to date, we found Printful the easiest to use. Thanks to a simple drag-and-drop editor, creating designs with the platform is very straightforward. So long as you have basic computing skills, you shouldn't really face much of a learning curve with Printful at all. 2. Print quality is high and consistent. Unlike many competing solutions, Printful isn't just an app that connects you to a printing service. It is a printing service. It runs its own printing facilities, and these are located in multiple locations around the world. This means that print quality is more likely to be consistently high, and user reviews of the platform seem to back this up. To get a sense of the quality of Printful goods ourselves, we ordered some products from the platform: a framed print, a mug, a t-shirt, and a canvas print. We were really happy with the quality of the items, particularly the framed and canvas prints. 3. It can be used for free. There's no upfront cost involved in using Printful. You only get charged when somebody purchases one of your POD products. This gives you a really low-risk way to start a business. That said, there is a paid monthly plan available from Printful too. It's Printful Growth option. This costs $24.99 per month, but gives you a discount of up to 33% off custom products and 25% off sample orders. If you're selling large volumes of items, this plan can save you a considerable amount of money. If you'd like to try Printful Growth, you'll find a link to a special 2-week free trial of this plan in the video description. There's also a link to the regular free Printful plan in there too. 4. It integrates with a really wide range of e-commerce platforms. Printful works with significantly more e-commerce platforms than key competing POD services, and caters well for popular solutions like Shopify, Squarespace, WordPress, and Wix. We generally recommend using Printful in conjunction with Shopify. If you check the video description, you'll find a link to a step-by-step guide on using the two platforms together. Alternatively, click on the card at the top right corner of this video now. 5. It takes ethics and the environment seriously. Print-on-demand and dropshipping services don't always have the best reputation when it comes to how they treat their workers or the environment. But commendably, Printful has a publicly available code of conduct covering human rights, workers' rights, anti-corruption policies, and environmental standards for all third-party Printful suppliers. It also has a statement on its website regarding its compliance with the UK's Modern Slavery Act. As for the environmental aspect, Printful's 12 regional fulfillment centres across 4 continents allow it to fulfill many of its orders in the same region as that of its end customers, something that results in less fossil fuel usage. Ultimately, it's hard to be 100% sure of any company's credentials when it comes to ethical issues, but Printful is considerably more transparent about these than many of its competitors, and as far as we can tell, genuinely seems to be trying to operate in a way that respects workers' rights and the environment. 6. It's a strong option for international selling. As mentioned earlier, Printful differs from key competitors in that it runs its own printing facilities, and these are based in a large number of locations around the world. This large global network of printing locations helps reduce fulfillment times to an average of 2 to 5 days and makes Printful a particularly good POD choice if you're intending to sell your products internationally. Okay, so those are the main reasons why Printful can be a great choice for print on demand. But what are the disadvantages of using it? I'll come to those in just a moment, but first, I'd just like to invite you to like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. This will give you easy access to all our e-commerce and print-on-demand resources. Let's turn now to the key disadvantages of using Printful. 1. Its product range is smaller than some competing POD services. The number of products that you can create with Printful is considerably smaller than some competing platforms. For example, while you can create around 440 products with Printful, a key alternative, Printify, lets you design over 1,000. 2. its payment system could be better. When customers buy products from your POD store, the money they pay doesn't go directly to Printful, but to you. You then have to pay Printful for the products ordered. This can be done by topping up a virtual wallet in your Printful account. But if you forget to do that, your customers' orders won't get fulfilled. When we built a Shopify POD store using Printful, we found this system rather clunky to use. We'd prefer it if customers could be charged directly by Printful for the items they buy from your online store. 3. There's no phone support for Printful. Although Printful offers a wide range of help materials in lots of different languages and provides a 24/7 help desk service too, you should note that unfortunately there's no phone support available for the platform. 4. There are some hidden costs to consider. Although the majority of Printful's features are free, there are a few add-on services that require paying additional fees. These include a $1 fee for using premium photos in your designs, a 99-cent to $2.49 fee when you add your own branded apparel labels to products, and stitch count-based pricing fees from $3.95 to $19.95 for larger embroidery pieces. Additionally, unlocking monthly discounts on Printful products requires an ongoing paid-for subscription. And that's that, our take on the pros and cons of Printful. Next up, a quick verdict. But just before that, I'd just like to let you know about the free Style Factory e-commerce kit. This gives you access to a host of free tools and resources for building an online business, and there's a link to it in the video description. Okay, verdict time. Printful is a solid option for anyone starting a print-on-demand business. It's easy to use, integrates with a wide range of e-commerce platforms, and its product quality is consistently high. We were particularly impressed by its ethical stance and its strong support for international selling. That said, there are some downsides to watch out for. Its product range isn't as extensive as those of some competitors. Its payment system could be smoother, and when using it, there are a few hidden costs to watch out for. But overall, Printful is a low-risk, reliable, and beginner-friendly platform that's a great choice for most new merchants. I hope you've enjoyed this Printful review, but please note that we also have a blog post version of it available, which goes into even more depth on the platform. You'll find a link to this in the video description, or just Google Style Factory Printful Review to access it. You'll also find links to Printful free trials, special offers, and additional print-on-demand resources in the description. Before you go, we'd love you to like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. This supports our work and gives you easy access to all our e-commerce and print-on-demand content. And finally, if you have any questions about Printful, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.